So who was a fan of science class when you were a kid? I enjoyed it, even though I was much more into art. But one of the fun things I remember is when we used to play with these. These are pH strips, and they are used to test the alkaline or acid of liquid. And I remember loving dipping these little pieces of paper in and being able to match them on this rainbow chart. And today we are going to be doing a little chemistry of our own. Hi, this is Margaret Byrd and welcome to Color Quest. So happy that you're here. We are going to continue working with some natural materials that we previously looked at in cabbage. Now, cabbage makes a really beautiful purple, but you can play around with some simple chemical shifts in your kitchen and change those colors, and so you can walk away with several different colors, all from one pot of red cabbage. It's pretty remarkable what you can do, and it's with simple ingredients. If you bake, you probably have baking soda, and if you like to make salad dressings, you probably have lemon juice or vinegar in your kitchen right now. And with these three materials, you can easily shift the colors of red cabbage dye. And if you've enjoyed what you've seen here, know that every Friday there will be a new video here on Color Quest that will be continuing our exploration of natural colors. So if you missed any of those videos, please go check out under the playlist Cooking Color, where you can see 6 different plant materials that you can make 6 different colors. The 6 main colors of the rainbow. So come on, color shifting's waiting for us. pretty amazing how many different colors we could make just by shifting the pH in the water. Now I want to tell you that I showed you how to do it by working with the cabbage itself. So doing it on the stove when you prepare your red cabbage dye. Next video, I'm going to show you what I call a cold shift. And that is a way to take a dye that you already have and shift the color. And we'll do the same next time with red cabbage. But we'll see how vibrantly different we can make colors just based on the percentages of the shift in the pH. So thank you for being here at Color Quest, and remember to hit subscribe and the bell if you'd like to be notified of the new videos when they come out on Fridays. Very excited to move on and see what we can do with a cold shift of red cabbage dye next on Color Quest.